See this cute little floral? It all started with 5 dots, and I'm going to show you how. I've mixed up a nice rosy, deep rosy wine color, and I'm going to put vertical hold. I'm going to make some blobby dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a little bit more. Like so. And I've got my Princeton Heritage Round number 6. I love these round brushes because they have such a nice belly and they really soak up the water. So I want my brush to be loaded but not drippy. And you touch down at an angle, pull, simple C curve, pull, simple C curve. I'm going to do 2 of them, and then we're going to go back in. Simple curve. Oops, I got a lot of water in here. So I can pick up a little just by drawing my brush and lifting. So I'm going to grab some pigment and I'm going to tap it. And tap it at the end. I can tap a little around. And at this point, you can choose to just let it do its thing, or you can massage it a little. Even it out a little bit. It's kind of like sculpting with water. Then I can go back again with some dark, like so. And then it's perfectly fine to turn your paper. Tap, pull, and I'm letting these 2 kiss. These 2 petals touch each other, so it's a bit of wet on wet. And I've left a little white, so we have some highlights. Oh, my puppy's crying. Tap, pull, press down, lift. Tap, pull, press down, lift. Could have had a little bit more water in that one. So now I'm going to massage a little bit. So it's nice and smooth and sheer. And I'm going to go back in with a little dark. I might even go back into these. I want some bleeding along from one to the next. Let that do its thing for a while. One more. And again, it's just clean water. Tap, press, C curve, lift. Tap, press, C curve, lift. I love these because they're so fast. And there's always an element of surprise. Let's fatten this guy up a little. Massage this one a little. It must be humid because my paper is staying pretty wet. I'm going to do the same thing with my greens. Just going to put one dot down. You're probably seeing the glare. I've left a little space because I want to make a tiny stem. I'm going to add a little green in here. I've picked up some My Mary Violet. I'm going to introduce some of that. Oh gosh, that's so pretty. I think I'm done.